I thought I would do something interesting today looking at foreign stock. Well, it's a well-known company here in the US, but the stock itself, as you see, it's being traded on South Korean exchange. So basically Samsung Electronics, am I bullish or bearish on it? If we look for Q2 in the month of May, we get to see the stock was traded about 64,000 Korean won. And yeah, it's trying to hold on to that value there, to that price. And then there was that big dip. I think that was on the week of June 14th to the 23rd. It went down to 57,000 won. And it's been trying to climbing back up ever since. And yeah, so on July 14th, I would say for the end of Q2, we've seen a 57,000 price for the stock there. And then it's trying to climbing back up to the 61,000. It seems to me this is where it's currently being traded at, and hopefully the new phones coming out, the folding phone can help prop up these stocks, especially if you if you guys own this thing, are excited about Samsung stocks as you are about its technology. I think Samsung is a pretty good company, right? Research and development is top notch. I never owned the phones, but I've seen their capabilities, what this company can do, and also they have a streamlines of business. It's not just one technology. And this is a company, I think if one owns it, sure, it's gonna be up and down, especially this is an international companies. They probably don't have much cushion in terms of investment around them, US companies do. Let's say their biggest competitors like Apple. But nevertheless, this is a company that is financially secure, well structured, and I think it's a good company to own, right? My only thing is for a company of this magnitude, of this type of technology, of this type of research and development, quality of products, they have not done as well as expected. We see net revenue is about 77 trillion. That's Korean won, by the way, right? This is not US dollars, right? And yeah, that has been up about 21%. Let's see, their operating expenses is up by 19%. Net profit margin here went down by -4%, and earning per share, it's about 1.61 Korean won, right? So yeah, it's okay, right? It's okay. Like I said, for a company of this magnitude, we should not be in the okay line. We should not be in the okay sentence, okay category. We should be in the great, right? People should be excited as about the stock, about the value of this company, just like we are about Apple. So if we look further into the balance sheet, let's say total assets, they have about 448 trillion won, right? And total liabilities about 120 trillion won. I would have, again, I always want to see that number a little bit lower, right? Because right now it says it's up by 17%. I guess that's probably comparing to the previous quarter. But yeah, it's holding on. And as you can see for Q2, in terms of net income, it only went up by 15.86%. And let's say cash from investing, that went by -200%, right? So yes, Samsung is a great company. Samsung is a very exciting company. It's a company that is not to be taken lightly. It's a big competitor to Apple, right? But like I said, I'm in between with the stocks because it's not where it should be. This company, I'm pretty sure management is very intelligent there. They have, like I said earlier, a streamline of business, where they can generate profit from. But to me, I don't know, maybe it's the Korean economy, that is affecting this business, their location in the world. It seems to me this company should have been doing way, way better than they currently are right now. Well, I thought this would be interesting to look at one of the beloved technology companies around the world. It doesn't have to be always in the US. So Samsung is a great company, and this is something I think I might own Samsung through VTI international stocks. I would have to look deeper into that. It's not something I own individually, and I also do not recommend you own especially international stocks individually, trading on that, right? So always have that part of an ETF or mutual funds to cushion the blow, especially right now. So that was Samsung in a nutshell. So hopefully you get to see something exciting about the stocks, and they can turn things around by Q3 and Q4. That's all I have for you today. See you on the next one.